Hi everyone, Ben here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief update on a undervalued, well-managed gold exploration and development story called P2 Gold. The company's flagship asset is called the Gabs Project, located in Nevada. There are some economic studies done on the project. There's a PEA out that includes a 14-year mine life, an after-tax net present value of $550 million, and an internal rate of return of 21%. And that PEA was based on a resource of 3.45 million ounces of gold at 0.66 gram per ton gold equivalent. The company does have a growth target of 5 million ounces on the property, so lots of exploration potential as well. And the market cap is currently sitting around $22 million. And so take a look at a couple of valuation metrics. The market cap to net present value is at 0.038. So very cheap. Usually an undervalued stock would be sitting around zero point 0.1, and that would be considered a very cheap stock. Also, market cap to gold equivalent ounces in the ground right now is at $6.08, and an undervalued stock would be around $10 per ounce in the ground. The infrastructure on the property is excellent. There's a power line right on the property, and they have paved road access. Very easy to get around the property and easy year-round access. The deposit is shallow, and that makes for very cheap drilling. They did release this information on the right and in a press release today. So this right column is the numbers of percent that of metal that was recovered from the test results of when they use in the preliminary economic assessment, and they released the numbers of a new test, and the numbers look a lot better. So they're now getting 88% of the gold out of the ground compared to 78. And for silver, it's gone up a lot, 81%, and it was 45%. And for copper, it's up to 66.5% of the metal recovered compared to 54%. So it's mostly a gold and copper deposit. And so they're getting about 10% more gold and copper recovered out of the ground. So those numbers are going to go into a updated PEA that should be out sometime during the end of September. So the PEA should look a lot better, and they'll probably use a higher gold price as well, making the numbers even stronger. And so we'll take a look at the stock here. You see in April, we were trading around 7 cents, and the stock did have a good run up. It more than doubled. And now we begin going kind of the sideways action for around 7 weeks. So a pretty decent entry point. Management also owns about 23% of the shares. So their interest and shareholders is aligned as well. And this is probably the best part about the stock. It's the same management team that started up a previous gold mine at Pretium Resources. I think it was called Brucejack. And so pretty rare to see a stock trading at this valuation, $6 per ounce in the ground, or that 0.038 market cap to net present value. Usually these stocks will trade at a significant premium, but this one is trading at a huge discount. And I think that PEA could act as a catalyst to get the stock back in an uptrend coming up in September. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.